Truck driver sleepy up here. Truck driver sleepy. Truck driver sleepy, man. Look at him, sleepy. I'm on 95, about to hit Petersburg. Truck driver sleepy. You know, I just like to get him running off the road. Look at him. He's sleepy as a mom. Look at him. Sleep as hell, ain't he? I like to try to get him running off the road. You know what I'm saying? That's crazy. He's sleepy as hell. I'm about to get off this exit. He's sleepy. Speed limit 70. I gotta get behind him. Speed limit 70 out this joint. See what I'm saying? I gotta get behind him though, cause he's sleepy. Look at him. I like to get him when they sleepy. Look at him. So it's Sunday morning, man. He's sleepy out here. Look at that. You gotta pull over and get some rest, big dog. You can't just be out here driving like that, man. Sleepy as I don't know what. 4 o'clock in the morning. What time is it? 6 o'clock Sunday morning. I've been driving since 4:30. Sleep is mine. Look, slowing down. He even slowing down more. He's so tired. Look at that. Sleepy. Look at him going off the road. Oh man, gotta go to work, man. Yeah. I'm driving, holding my phone. That's crazy, man. He helped me stay awake. He helped me stay awake. Look. Snap. Car ran off the road. Look over there. Car ran off the road, y'all. They down in the woods. Car ran off the road. Oh man. Sunday morning. How you run off the road on Sunday morning and ain't no traffic out here? How you run off the road like that, man? How you do that? Still here, still sleepy, man. Look at that. Well, I gotta go. I gotta take this exit right here. That's crazy, though, ain't it? Yeah, I'm a lot further back than it looked. But I got the camera, I got the video on zoom. I got him zoomed up close. But yeah, this is my exit, y'all. I'm out of here. Alright, 460. Blackstone. Alright. Peace.